You're welcome back from the salad break. I hope you really enjoyed your salad break. And how was your fasting? So, we want to continue from where we stopped. So we are in revision 5. So today we are going to look at one of these why questions and see how we can solve it. So let's go straight down to business. Question: a village consists of 20 households with the following annual income. You can see here is a table of income in hundreds. Okay, so 30, 40. So these are annual income of household in a village. Okay, the question: determine the 1 mean income, 2 mode income, 3 median income. B, what is the range of income distribution? C, calculate the total tax that will be generated from the village if 1, a flat rate tax of 7% is imposed on all households. Then 2, a flat rate tax of 15% is imposed on all households earning 4,000 per annum and above. Okay, so I don't want you to panic. What you just need to do is just to calm and study the question. Well, it's very in any question given to you in any external exams, what you do is to calm yourself down. Okay, don't be panic. Okay, so let's look at the solution to that. So still we are going to, there are different methods in solving this question, but today we are going to look at what? The frequency table method. Okay, the frequency table method, where you are going to determine the frequency of each household individual. So you can see here household income in 100, 2 zeros. Okay, is represented as X, and the frequency is the numbers of time in which the household income appears in the data. Okay, that is F. The frequency times household, which is Fx. So let's go straight down to business. So you can see 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 are the household income in this village. So now let's look at the numbers of time where you have 20 appears in this data. Okay, so when you can either use a particular method to distinguish it, or you use your tally to do that. So let's start. You can see from here 30, 40, 80. 30 you have 1. Okay, 40 you have 1. All right, 80 you have 1, and 40 you have 1. You have another 1 here. So that is how you arrive at this. You take it each column by column, whatever number that appears, you go to a number and put a strike to it. So at the end of everything, you count everything and compute your frequency. Okay, so we have gotten our frequency from this table. So you can now multiply 20 times 4, which is 80, 30 times 2, 60, 40 times 6, 240, 50 times 2, 100, 60 times 2, 120, 70 times 2, 140, 80 times 2, 160. So when you sum all this, the fx together, you have 900, while the sum of your frequency is 20. Now, let's see. The mean, always the formula for me is very important. You memorize the formula for me, which is the sum of fx all over the sum of f. Okay, so from our table here, the sum of fx is 900, while the sum of f is 20. So therefore, your mean income is 900 divided by 20, which is 45. You can't represent 45 as your mean income because the data says in 100. So you need to add the 2 zeros to the 45. So when you add 2 zeros to 45, you have 4,500 pounds. Okay, $4,500. Okay. Now, 2, mode income. What is mode income? It's always the highest frequency from your frequency table. And from our frequency table here, the highest frequency is 6, which is the household of what? 4,000. Okay, 4,000. So 6, highest frequency, you can see it's 40. You add a 2 0, which is 4,000. Okay, then the median income is always the midpoint when rearranged in ascending or descending order. Okay, so you need to rearrange the data given to you here, rearrange them in ascending or descending order. So what we did here is to rearrange it in what? Ascending order. You still make use of your frequency table. Okay, 20 appears 4 times. You can see it 1, 2, 3, 4, 32, 1, 2, in that order to the end where you have 80. So when you count the numbers, you're going to have what? 20 households. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, up to 20. Okay? So the midpoint is what? You count from left to where you have 10. So when you count, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You stopped here. Then you come from backward again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see you have two midpoint. You have two median income. So you pick the two median income. You add them. Okay, divided by 2. 80 divided by 2, which is 40. Always remember to add the two zeros, which is, when you add the two zeros to this 40, you have 4,000. So the median income is 4,000. I hope you are clear. I hope there is no problem with that. Now, let's look at the range. What is the range of income distribution? The range of income distribution is always the difference between the highest income and the lowest income. Difference in mathematics is subtraction. Okay, so from our frequency table here, you have 80 as the highest and 20 as the lowest. So 80 minus 20 is 60. You add the two zeros to it, which is 6,000. So the range of income of distribution is $6,000. Okay, C, the total tax generated from the village. So the total tax generated from the village household here, house annual income, you sum, which is this. The total you have is always given as what? The sum of individual household income. The formula for total tax generated from the village, sum of individual household income times tax rate. So the sum of individual household income is 900. Okay, you add your two zeros to make it 90,000. Divided by the tax rate given to you. Look at it, a flat tax rate of 7%. So 7 over 100. Okay, so you have two zeros cancel two zeros. You are left with 900 times 7, which is 6,300. So the total tax generated from this village when you have a 7% imposed on the individual household income is $6,300. Okay. Now, question 2: a flat rate tax of 15% imposed on all households earning $4,000 per annum and above. You can see here, total tax generated from the village. You still apply the same formula: sum of individual household income times tax rate. Remember, here you have a specification, you have restriction, 4,000 and above. So you come back to your frequency table, your 4,000 is here and above. So you add to here, you add, that is 240 plus 100 plus 120 plus 140 plus 160. Gives you 7,600. Or in other words, you can also say 900 minus 80 minus 60 will still arrive at 76,000. Okay? So times 15 over 100. Two zeros cancel two zeros, you are left with 760 times 15, which gives you 11,400 as your what? As your total tax generated from the village on household earning 4,000 and above. Okay, so it's a simple calculation. What you just need to do is to memorize what you need to memorize. Don't be in haste. Don't be panic. Just understand and apply what you need to do. So I will now draw the curtain for the day. But before I go, I want you to do this. Determine the mean income, median income. Note, using the statement method. What do I mean here, statement method? I don't want you to use this method. You're still going to arrive at the same answer, okay? So you are going to arrange it the way it is. You can take it 30. You write, if it is, you start with 20, 20, 20, 20, you count the numbers of 20, or you add the way you have it here. For example, if you are to work for the mean income, since mean is the sum of fx all over. Since you are not going to use this. So what you just need to do is just to say 30 plus 20 plus 50 plus 40 plus 60 plus 40, the way you have it here. You add up everything divided by the numbers of time you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You count, it's going to be 20. So that is the statement method. Okay? You will also do that towards to the mode. So thank you very much. I want you to try this. It's very important for you to know the various methods, to know various approaches in solving a particular question. Okay? So you can WhatsApp me 08035801104. Malam Nasir Muhammad is the name from Sheikh Abubakar Gumi Academy. Stay safe. Bye-bye.